Let's take a look at some effective organizational strategies and maintenance tips that Mara shares with Alexander to help him manage his documents more efficiently and effectively.
So you're having a tough time managing all the paperwork for travel placements. What's tripping you up the most?
It's just everything. Keeping track of which documents I have, which ones need updating, it's a mess. And then there's the digital versus physical copies.
I've been there. Took me a while to find a system that works. For starters, have you tried using cloud storage? Google Drive or Dropbox can be lifesavers. I organize everything into folders by category, like licenses, certs, reference letters. It's like having a digital file cabinet.
That sounds way better than my desktop chaos. But how do you keep track of what's what?
File naming conventions are key. I use a format like Mara Johnson _CPR cert _2024.pdf. Makes it super easy to find and update stuff. Plus, seeing everything laid out helps me know what's current and what's expiring soon.
Makes sense. And what about all the physical copies? I've got a stack I don't even want to deal with.
Oh, I get it. I use a binder system with dividers for each document type. It's old school, but it works.
That's smart. I'm always worried I'll misplace something.
It's like having a travel-ready kit. Also, don't overlook options like third-party document storage for extra backup. Peace of mind, you know?
Gotcha. What about staying on top of renewals and all that?
Calendar reminders are your best friend. I set them for every license and certification. Plus, I keep a detailed log of all my continuing education credits, when, what topic, how many hours. It's not just for renewals, it shows ongoing professional development.
That's a pro move. I hadn't thought about tracking education credits like that.
Definitely helps. And don't forget about your health records. Annual checkups, immunizations, and keeping digital copies updated, it's crucial for us.
Health records, right. I need to be more proactive about that.
Last piece of advice, keep the lines of communication open with your agency representative. Stay updated on any new requirements or document changes. Saves a lot of last-minute scrambling.
Mara, thanks a ton. This feels a lot more manageable now. I appreciate the guidance.
Anytime, Alex. We're in this together. Plus, a little organization goes a long way in making our lives easier on the road.